My friend is stuck at the hotel after spending the day with Sneak Link, and now his truck doesn't want to turn on. He's guessing it's the battery because none of the lights are turning on and because there's no power anywhere. But since neither of us have jumper cables and he doesn't want to call his girlfriend to come for him, I'm gonna do a trick to get him home that nobody ever talks about, but it's so obvious. It's a trick that involves removing the battery from his truck and carefully placing it onto the side, because making sure my truck is on, I'm gonna remove the battery while the engine is running and plug it onto his truck. Now, it's important to say though that this trick only works when the batteries are of the same cranking group, so you can't take the battery off a Duramax to try using it to start up a Honda Civic, because, well, that would be all bad. However, after instructing him to start the truck, it fired up right away. So now with the truck running, I can remove my battery from his truck and put it back onto mine without ever hurting anything. And his old battery without any juice can either be connected back onto his truck or and put in the back of the bed for easy access at the parts store. But since he doesn't want his girlfriend to question why he came home so late, he wanted to put back inside so he can make it seem like his truck broke down at the house and not at a random hotel. It really is a simple solution to a simple problem that I wish more people knew of in case of an emergency.